Welcome to Savage Tech Australia. Thanks for joining us. I'm introducing a new product we've just released to the market. It's a 5-channel switch panel that goes in the center console. It looks like this. It has 2 phone mounts, so you can use like phone or GoPro, whatever you want to attach to it. It goes in the center console above the wireless charging pad. Lose your wireless charging pad. However, the wireless charging pad is, for me, I don't use it because I've always plugged my phone into the Type-C anyway and get Google Maps. This is a 5-way channel and it's RF receiver. The box comes in the engine bay. So this is the box here. It comes with the mounting bracket to mount above your battery. This is the enclosure in here. It's fully fused. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fuses with your positive going out, and it's all IP65 rated in here as long as you do your connections and pop this little rubber seal out and put a hole in it and then poke your cable through the gland, okay? So that wires into there. So we've just demoed one here. We've got a wire running back to our little light bar here. So we've got our little light bar here. We've got the positive going out of the light bar straight into here, and then you've got your negative on your negative terminal, okay? It also comes with these pre-crimped lugs here. They are your negative earth. So they are gonna go back to your earth, and this is gonna be your bus bar here that's gonna have all your common negatives are all gonna go from your, say, your backlighting, whatever you want to hook it up to, you can use this as your earth. So earth here, positive straight into here. And you'll have switch 1, switch 2, switch 3, switch 4, and switch 5. Now there are different ratings. So you have got a 30, a 30, a 30, and a 20, and a 20. So different ratings depending on what lighting you're running. You can have it plugged up to your accessories, so it triggers this box only when your accessories is on. So that's your accessory wire there. You remove the factory 10 amp fuse that's here, and you plug this in and replace it with that. And then tap it into the positive wire that goes back over here, and that gives you accessories. Your positive feed is coming from here off your battery terminal. We've wired that into there. So we're gonna switch on channel 1. The light comes on, channel 2. Nice little green LED to tell you the light is on. A little off switch to turn all the panel off completely, and to turn it back on, like this, it comes back on, okay? Now, you can also move your mounts according to where you want it in your car. So we're in the vehicle now, and I'm just gonna show you where it mounts. So it comes with double-sided tape if you wanted to permanently fix it in here. Well, not semi-permanently fix it so it doesn't rattle around, but that just mounts in here under the console and pushes down like that. It's nice and tight, doesn't rattle around at all. Turn your light on, off, so you'll have all your channels along here. How good does that look? So, I mean, not a lot of people will use the wireless charger. It's got a Type-C input, and you've got a Type-C input in the car, so you can run a Type-C cable to here to charge it when you need to. Now, depending on how often you use it, you might need to charge it once a year, you might need to charge it every 3 months, depending on what use you use it for. So that's your little switch panels. You can order that from savagetech.com.au. And we've also got another one that mounts on the grab handle. So we've got this switch panel and another one that mounts on the grab handle. A few different other options. We've even got harnesses that mount to the piggyback factory headlight so that you can trigger it from your high beams. All of this stuff's available on savagetech.com.au. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for joining us. Hope that helps you. Have a good one.